Once upon a time, I was naturally thin. I could eat whatever I wanted without a care in the world. Then my first child was born, and in an effort to return to my pre-pregnancy weight, I began my first diet. Huge mistake. I gained 30 pounds over 30 days, doing exactly what my doctor told me to do, and began my journey to discover what was wrong with me. Hey, I'm Angie Taylor, and here it is almost 3 decades later, and I've learned that absolutely nothing is wrong with me. My journey led me to become a doctor of natural health, and along my journey I discovered that diets don't work. Please don't tell me, well, of course diets don't work. You have to make a lifestyle change. I'm sorry, that's part of the lie. There was nothing wrong with my lifestyle before having children. I responded to my body in the precise way I was supposed to respond to it. I ate when I was hungry and I stopped eating when I was full. Today, everyone believes that the lifestyle change is one that brings measuring, counting, and weighing into your life using portion-controlled plates and containers, denying yourself the joy that is part of the social event of eating, restricting calories, fat, carbohydrates, and buying foods specifically for dieting. And I want you to know that if you struggled with your weight all your life, there's nothing wrong with you either. You were born knowing how to properly respond to your hunger signals and how to stop eating when you were full. Something happened along the way that changed how you respond to hunger and fullness. It may have been a perceived famine, not having enough food around for everyone. So you learned that when there was food, you better eat it quickly or you weren't going to get any of it. Or perhaps you became a member of the Clean Plate Club, where you were taught that it's not okay to leave food on your plate, even if you're full. There's also the possibility that you had your signals turned off by well-meaning parents who forced you to finish all the food in the baby food jar, despite the fact that you were telling them through your body language that you were finished. Maybe you were doing great until a family member or some other well-intentioned authority figure made a comment about your body. This created instant self-doubt and changed the way you viewed your body. Whatever it was that happened, it's time to stop the food fight, break all the dieting rules, and repair your relationship with food, movement, and yourself. Aren't you tired of dreading the holidays, family gatherings, barbecues, birthday parties, weddings, and every other event that includes food? I mean, aren't the holidays and get-togethers with family and friends supposed to be fun? I remember going to big family dinners and having a feast and enjoying every minute of it when I was younger. I wasn't worried about how it would impact my weight. I had fun. I remember laughing and enjoying time with my cousins. I remember the joy of those events, and I want that joy back. Don't you? I challenge you to stop the food fight, break all the dieting rules, and repair your relationship with food, movement, and yourself so that you can enjoy every day of the year while you walk toward wellness. As I've traveled along this path, I've discovered that almost every weight loss program focuses solely on restricting food intake and increasing exercise. It's challenging to find any program that teaches you how your body really works, that also addresses your emotional and spiritual sides. Your emotions and spirit take a real beating when you diet, and until they are repaired, your body will hold on to weight. Did you know that restricting calories, increasing exercise while ignoring your emotional and spiritual states are the reason that 95% of dieters will fail? That's right. Dieting has a 95% failure rate, so why do we do it? What's the alternative? How do you repair your relationship with food, movement, and yourself? Well, I've put together a membership group just for you, and enrollment is open right now. In this membership group, you'll have access to ongoing coaching and counseling sessions, emotional release exercises and sessions, worksheets, handouts, and journaling exercises. You'll have the benefit of being in a group with others on the same journey. You can go through all the material at your own pace, nothing to schedule in your calendar or work around your already busy schedule. All for an affordable monthly subscription fee that can be easily canceled at any time. In this membership group, I will give you the tools that you will need in order to successfully stop the food fight while you break all the dieting rules so you can repair your relationship with food, movement, and yourself. In this membership group, I will show you how to fully embrace a non-diet approach to wellness, break free of dieting forever, eat when you're hungry without feeling guilty, enjoy foods that you've been taught are bad for you, change your inner voice so it says encouraging instead of discouraging things to you. Know when you are truly satisfied and ready to stop eating. Find satisfaction in all areas of life. Handle emotional garbage without food. Respect your body where it is right now so you will love your body while you work with it. Naturally move more because it feels good and supports your wellness goals. And incorporate healthier foods into your daily routine when you're ready. There will be no do not eat this food list, no mandatory workout schedule, and no weigh-in ever. With this group, you are in total control of the journey. It's time to learn how to truly take care of and love yourself. So go right now and subscribe. Once you've subscribed, you'll be introduced to this incredible journey through a series of short videos that will explain the basics to help you get started. You can go through the videos as quickly as you'd like. Click the button below and subscribe now. It's time for you to matter to someone. You can thank me later.